Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIPS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Varsity School. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 2. Dear students, our today's topic chapter 4 reading done. Today's topic chapter 4 reading done. Our lecture 5 and today's is there no homework. Let's start our class. Chapter 4, chapter name is the mouse. The mouse is also we call pointing device. Okay. Look at the pictures of a computer mouse and a real mouse. What similarities do you find? Are you any similarities? A computer mouse and real mouse. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. It may also have a small wheel called a scroll wheel in the center. It may be connected to the computer by a wire which looks like it's a tail. This is a wire and it looks like a tail with a real mouse. Some mice are connected to the computer without the wire, but some mice are connected to the computer without the wire. They do not have a tail. The mouse is normally placed on a mouse pad. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the pointer moves on the monitor screen. The pointer looks like an arrow. It looks like an arrow. Then move on next page, page number 26, holding the mouse. Okay, you can hold the mouse in your right hand or your left hand. Look at the fingers of your right and left hands. Yes, this is thumb finger and this called is index finger and it's a middle finger. It's a right hand, this is a middle finger, left hand, it's a middle finger, index finger and a thumb finger, and it's a right hand and this finger is, this thumb finger is called index finger and it's a middle finger. Okay, and if you are right handed, hold the mouse as shown. This mouse, and if you are right handed, that is a mouse. This is index finger, it's a thumb and a middle finger, and this part is the palm. This part is a palm. Place your palm of your right hand on the mouse. 2. Place your thumb on the left side of the mouse. 3. Place your index finger on the left mouse button. And number 4. Place the middle finger, this is the middle finger, just notice it, on the right mouse button. Now next page, move on, page number 27. If you are left handed, hold the mouse as shown. Left handed, this is index finger, then we called it thumb and is a middle finger. Place your palm of your left hand on the mouse. Number 2, place your thumb on the right side of the mouse. Number 3, place your index finger on the right mouse button. Number 4, place your middle finger on the left mouse button. Working with the mouse, how does it work? And sit in front of a computer, hold the mouse. Can you see an arrow on the monitor screen? Yes. Move the mouse on the mouse pad. Does the arrow move on the monitor screen? The arrow is called the mouse pointer. The arrow is called the mouse pointer. Already I said earlier that the arrow is called the mouse pointer, and we also called the mouse is also pointing device. It is used to point at items on the monitor screen. Then page number 28, move the mouse to the right. The mouse pointer, this symbol is the mouse symbol on the monitor screen, goes to the right, is arrow symbol. Then move the mouse to the left, move the mouse to the left, this is the left side on the monitor screen, goes to the left. Move the mouse up, the mouse pointer, this is up, on the monitor screen goes up, this is up. And move the mouse down, the mouse pointer on the monitor screen goes down. Okay. Then take the pointer to the one of the symbol on the screen, gently press and then leave the left mouse button. Can you hear a click? Yes. This action is called a clicking. Okay. Then page number 29. Can you now see a colored rectangle around the icon? This shows that you have selected that icon. With a mouse click, you can select an item on the monitor screen. Then monitor screen is look like a picture. Is okay. Dear learners, I hope understood today's topic. You read this topic again. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.